Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to remove plagiarism in ChatGPT. So here to show you what I'm gonna do is open my ChatGPT, and here I am telling the AI to generate a paragraph on any random topic. After that, I'll copy this paragraph and open the next tab on my browser and search for Quillbot. Well, Quillbot is a paraphrasing AI tool which helps you paraphrase any paragraph, stories, and so on. Plus, Quillbot passes the Turnitin and various other flag checker. So here, tap on Quillbot in your search bar, then select the first link. After that, paste the paragraph that we had just copied from ChatGPT. Scroll down and tap on paraphrase. After that, you will there get a paraphrased and flag-free version of your text. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.